Stock option trading. The biggest risk in stock option trading that most people don't know. After watching this video until the end, you gotta know one stock option that jumped more than 4 times. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. The last time I made a video about AMD stock option, I gave you the option that I have been trading. At the time, AMD was only 230.23. Then it jumped. It jumped within a few days of making this video. Okay, I make it on October 22nd. So, hey, this could be the next one. What is that? It's ISRG. Year to date, basically, this ISRG is only up 4.29%, but it jumped. Look at this. The past 5 days, it jumped 21%. And I traded ISRG, and I sent out an alert to my patrons. It was on October 9, 35.9. One call options, 470 strike price, expire date in March 2026. So 35.90, it means one call options represents 100 shares. So you need to multiply with $100. So 3,590. So if we have 3,590, we could buy this call option. And after 9 trading days, basically in 9 trading days, it jumped 179%. Almost 3 times the initial capital. 100.20. So 10,000. Hey, if you invested 3,590, your money will have become over 10,000 within 9 trading days. And what happened? So remember, there is always a risk reward. Okay, for stock investing and also for stock option trading, there is a risk reward. We want to get as much reward as possible with as little risk as possible. Okay, so I also bought another call option. Instead of buying same strike price, same expiration date, I bought different expiration date, different strike price. 469 call option, December 19. 22.2, so $2,220. Okay, the same day, October 9. October 9, why did I trade on the same day? You're gonna know in a very short time. Okay, then it jumped 312%, more than 4 times within 9 trading days. Within 9 trading days, you may notice the difference. Okay, this gain is more than this gain. It's the same day. Okay, I bought it on the same day, and I also look at it, took a screenshot on the same day, October 22nd. So what happened? It's because this one has longer expiration date. Okay, this one has shorter expiration date. Okay, so the next question is gonna be, why did I choose October 9? October 9, if we look at it, October 9, it was only $443.76 at the time. 443.76. All-time high, not 52-week high, was 615.99. So if we look at it, even for 615.49, it is also an all-time high too. Okay, all-time high too. So the past 1 month, it jumped 24.43%. October 9, I went in. Then after that, it has been going up. It had been going up since I entered it. Okay, it had been going up, and it jumped over 15% and 15 and 20% within 1 day. 1 day after the earnings report. Okay, usually trading over earnings day is quite dangerous. It's 50-50. You know why? Because if investor like earnings report or forecast, the stock could go up. If they don't like it, the stock could go down. Even if the results are good, and if forecast is not above expectation, investor may not like it and the stock could stay go down. So it's 50-50. So I usually avoid trading before earnings, over the earnings day. But this time I took the chance because the risk is so low, the reward is so high. If we look at year to date, this October 9 is one of the lowest time. Okay, lowest the bottom. You could say I got a bottom. Okay, I did not buy stock because I believe that stock is overvalued. But I could trade call option. Okay, a stock is overvalued, but if the stock is great, I trade call option. How do I know if it's great? Because 5 years it beat S&P 500. Okay, and I have 4 other criteria. And second one is it must be in business for at least 10 years. The third one is it must be a public company for at least 5 years. See, long time. And number 4, it must be a business that I like or I understand. I may not understand everything about the business, but I have a kind of idea what they do, and I like it, then I may buy. Okay, number 5, do I like their balance sheet, financial statement, income statement, cash flow statement? Okay, by looking at this criteria, I know that this is a great company, but it's overvalued in my opinion. So I don't want to pay to own the share right now. But then, I could trade call option because it was already low at the bottom. See, October 9. So I traded, it's recover. You see, bounce back like crazy. So that means low risk because I got the bottom. Okay. Of course, if you trade or own crappy companies, it could go down more. But this is not a crappy company. Okay. This is a great company, so I know that sooner or later it will just go up, and the probability of it going up is much higher because if it's at the bottom. So very simple, snap of a finger, I took a trade, I bought 2 expiration date, 2 strike price, call option, and I made profit. And also my patrons, they also made profits. Congratulations. Okay, so what is your biggest risk in life? Swimming without learning swimming from an expert. Investing or trading without learning from a master whose life you want to live, right? And not doing anything is very, very horrible and doing late. If you swim without learning swimming, you could die. Very simple, right? The chance of you dying is much higher than 80-90% chance. Okay, and investing or trading the same way. If you do it without any knowledge or risk management, anything, you could lose money. It's normal to lose money, especially if you don't learn from a master at the beginning. Always start with paper trading. Okay, don't use your real money yet because you spend so much time making money, so you don't want to lose it just like that. Okay, and the best time to learn investing and trading was yesterday. Now is the second best time. Okay, so that's why make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you can join my mentorship call, or you can join my stock option alert. The link will be in the YouTube description comment down below. Remember, what are the risks in your life? You could become a slave to money for the rest of your life. Okay, you can work until you die, or your parents or your children, your wife, your husband get sick and you don't have money to take care of them. You don't have money to cure them. You don't have the time to basically send them to the clinic, hospital. You don't have time to spend on their birthday. Just imagine the pain you will feel just by not being able to do anything to help your people that you love, your loved one. Okay, so it's very, very important. The risk of not learning, investing, and trading is much, much higher than the risk of learning, investing, and trading stock option. You may spend a few $1,000s, but that a few thousand is gonna pay you rewards. Okay, it's like you're attending courses for free. If you know how to make money, just like this, very easily you can make it back. So if you want to learn more, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist and subscribe to the channel. You can reach out to me for the mentorship call or Patreon. The link will be in the description comment below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.